When was the first parliamentary forum on water conservation and management constituted? So, 1950, 2005, 1970, 1985. So, the right answer is B, 2005. And the next question, when was the first parliamentary forum on youth constituted? 2010, 2008, 6 or 1985? So the right answer is 2006. There was forum after the water management and then youth constituted. And the next question, when was the first parliamentary forum on global warming and climate change constituted? So the right answer is 2008, D, after the youth or water management. When was the first parliamentary forum on disaster management constituted? So the right answer is 2011. It is being in recent times. You can see in newspapers, otherwise in magazines. When was the first parliamentary forum on children constituted? So the right answer is A, 2006. Which of the following describes India as a secular state? Which of the following describes in our fundamental rights, directive principle of state policy, or fifth schedule, preamble of the constitution? Yeah, preamble of the constitution. The secular state and justice, there are some words which is used in our preamble of the constitution. They are more important. The independence of judiciary in Indian constitution is taken from Britain, USA, South Africa, Australia. A, Britain. The independence of judiciary taken from Britain. In a parliamentary form of government, the real power of the states are vested in the President, Chief Justice, Council of Ministers, or Parliament. So the right answer is Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. Which of the following amendment acts amended the preamble of the Indian Constitution? So the right answer is 42nd Amendment Act. Amendment Acts are also important, like 100th Amendment Act, 101, because they are seen in news in recent times. So you can check it, like 61st Amendment. Supreme Court held that the preamble is not a part of the Constitution in which of the following case? A, Brewery Union case. So there are some cases like Urani Krishna vs. Union of India, Mineral Mills, the Union of India, Sunil Batra vs. Delhi government. So you can read out that.